So you just got your Canon TS3522 and now you're trying to figure out how to connect it to Wi-Fi? I know, setting up a printer can seem confusing, but trust me, I'm gonna walk you through every single step and make it super easy. In this video, I'll show you complete wireless setup process from start to finish. And yes, if you need help along the way, just add in the numbers on your screen and our experts can guide you through it. Alright, let's start.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
First things first, turn on your Canon TS3522 and keep it close to your computer or laptop. You'll need them nearby for a setup. Now, go to the computer and open the Canon official website. You'll find it easily by searching Canon in your browser. When you're on the website's homepage, look for the Setup option and click on it. On this page, you'll see a search box. Type your printer model name, TS3522, and then click on the Go button. This takes you to the exact setup page for your printer. Click the Start option and follow whatever instructions pop up on your screen. Keep clicking through until you see the Download button. Go ahead and click on it to download the setup software. Once the file is downloaded, open it up. Your computer might ask for permission. That's totally normal. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to continue. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. After waiting a minute or two, the Setup Wizard screen will show up. Click on the Start Setup to begin. Now, we're getting into the good stuff. The Setup Wizard is going to guide us through connecting your printer to Wi-Fi. Click Next and the system will start downloading all the drivers your printer needs to work properly. Just let it do its thing. This only takes a few seconds. Next, you'll see some license agreement screens. Go through them and accept them. This is just legal stuff that comes with software, so don't worry about it. You're doing great so far. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future printer tutorials. When you get to the Check the Connection Method screen, click Yes. This tells your printer to look for your Wi-Fi networks. After a moment, a screen will appear showing all the Wi-Fi networks near your printer. Find your Wi-Fi network name in the list and click Next. Now type in your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you get it right. The passwords are case sensitive, so watch those capital letters. Once you've typed it in, click Next to connect. If everything worked correctly, you'll see a connection completed screen pop up. This means your Canon TS3522 is now connected to your Wi-Fi. Just click Next to finish.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.